getting harder to find my way home, 'cause I'm burning my bridges, I'm treading this path alone. I know I'll break through if I just have a little bit of luck, a little control. It's getting harder to breathe on my own, 'cause the friends I depend on are hell-bent on letting me go. I swear I'll break through if I just have a little bit of trust, a little more soul. So if you hear my soul, save me, set me free to this world where they judge and destroy. Through these sheltered surroundings, let me loose on these dollars and critics galore. If I lose my sight, if I lose my mind, don't just breathe me and leave me to die. I am sure enough. Don't just breathe me and leave me to die. I'm beating down but I'm scaling these walls, 'cause the fear manifesting is threatening to take a hold. I know I'm so trapped in this game, so a little bit of hope will settle my bones. I'm getting stronger the longer I fall, 'cause I'm suffering